Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best wireless dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 3 best wireless dash cam to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Fitcamx car DVR. Specifications: brand name, Fitcamx. Frames per second, 30. View angle, 150 degrees minus 160 degrees. Number of lenses, 1. Screen ratio, 16:9. Interface, Wi-Fi. Video code, H.264. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Max external memory, 128G. The item number 2 is WeTrack JC400. Specifications: brand name, WeTrack. Frames per second, 30. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Video code, H.264. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Imaging sensor, AR0230. Pixels, 200 mega. Max external memory, 256G. Warranty, 2 years. Network, 4G plus 3G plus 2G plus Wi-Fi. On the top of our list at number 1 we have VFO A119. Specifications: brand name, VFO. Frames per second, 60. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. View angle, 150 degrees minus 160 degrees. Number of lenses, 1. Screen ratio, 16:9. Interface, micro SD/TF. Video code, H.264. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1600. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display, LCD. Max external memory, 256G.